there, event organisers. Are you tired of struggling to sell your tickets and achieve the attendance you deserve? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're going to share our top 5 tips for how to sell tickets fast. Hi there, I'm Chloe, a member of the support team here at TicketSource. Are your ticket sales falling flat? Or perhaps you just want a guarantee sellout show? Well then, this video is just for you. Get the tips and tricks you need to pack the house and make your event a smashing success. Don't forget, if you want to keep up to date with all our expert hints, tips and advice to ensure your events are a sellout success, be sure to follow this channel. Alright, let's jump into the video. Teaser campaigns. Are your ticket sales slumping right from the start? You've put so much effort into planning your event, but your tickets are just gathering dust. That's where teaser campaigns come in. To give your tickets the best chance of selling like hotcakes, you need to build up the hype and excitement before they even go on sale. Start by getting people excited about the event and giving them all the important information: dates, location, and why they absolutely have to be there. Then, create a 7-day countdown timer and make daily posts leading up to the big sale day. This will get people pumped and ensure a rush of tickets straight from day one. Early bird offers. Get ready to knock out your ticket sales with this next tip. You've already nailed a killer teaser campaign. People are definitely interested, but they might be a bit unsure about buying tickets when they first become available. That's when you need to hit them with an irresistible early bird offer that will seal the deal. You could offer an exclusive discount on tickets, or offer them a free item to sweeten the deal. To create a sense of urgency, make sure you limit the number of early bird tickets available, or set a strict deadline for purchase. Flash sales. Are your ticket sales not living up to expectations? Has the excitement of the ticket sales started to fade away? With the event just around the corner, it's time to give them a jolt and get those ticket sales back on track. Introducing flash sales. Flash sales are the perfect way to ignite your sales and give your tickets the boost they need. For a limited time, usually 2 to 3 days, why not offer an irresistible discount or a special deal? Just make sure the deal still allows for acceptable profit margins. Countdown timers. If you're not using this one strategy to sell your tickets, you could be missing out on potential sales. As the event date quickly approaches and you still haven't sold enough tickets, it can be quite stressful. But don't worry, there's a solution that can help maximize those final ticket sales. Countdown timers. In the days and weeks leading up to the event, be sure to continuously remind people of the limited time to buy tickets. By fostering a sense of urgency, you'll encourage potential attendees to make their purchase and secure their spot at your next event. Price increases. Are you ready to supercharge your ticket sales? Our final strategy is all about creating urgency and cultivating action to purchase tickets. How do we do it? By introducing price increases. Whether it's part of your promotional schedule or an increase for on-the-door ticket sales, higher prices will motivate attendees to snag their tickets early and save some cash. But that's not all. Couple this strategy with the previously mentioned countdown timer for a real winner. This powerful combination is like a 1-2 punch that will skyrocket your ticket sales. And here's a bonus. Getting those crucial pre-sales in will also help you breathe easier as the event date approaches. Say goodbye to stress and hello to success. And that's it, our 5 top tips to sell your tickets fast. If you'd like to find out the 4 most common reasons why your tickets aren't selling and how to fix it, you can click here for the next video. And if you'd like to be notified about new video releases, you can click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching!